Did you know that iPhone 17 Pro users spend hundreds on screen repairs every year because of accidental drops? That's why choosing the right drop protection case isn't just a style choice. It's a lifesaver for your wallet and your phone. Today we're diving into the 6 best iPhone 17 Pro drop protection cases of 2025. All tested for durability, style, and practical features. All the links are in the description so you can check them out yourself. Let's get started. Number 6. CASEKOO Magnetic Stand. Kicking things off, the CASEKOO Magnetic Stand case is a multitasker that knows how to mix sleek design with reliable strength. Built to withstand drops up to 16 feet, it's armed with military-grade durability while keeping your iPhone looking sharp with a matte, fingerprint-resistant finish. The invisible magnetic stand is where it really shines, folding out effortlessly for video calls, FaceTime sessions, without adding bulk. Compared to the CASEKOO drop protection case, this one sacrifices a little minimalism but rewards you with hands-free convenience that makes daily use smoother. MagSafe charging is fast and secure, and the snug precision cutouts make every button easy to press. If you want a case that doesn't just protect but also works like a handy tool, this one's a great pick. Number 5. CASEKOO Drop Protection Case. Next up, the CASEKOO Drop Protection Case in frosted black is all about doing the basics exceptionally well. Crafted from premium 3X anti-cellaring TPU, it stays crystal clear over time while boasting military-grade drop protection up to 15 feet, so your phone is safe even from those awkward waist-high slips. Unlike the magnetic stand version, this one keeps things feather-light and pocket-friendly, which is perfect if you dislike bulky accessories. While it doesn't have the fancy stand, its clean design feels almost invisible on your phone, letting the iPhone's design stand out. Compared to the Spigen Ultra Hybrid, it delivers stronger materials and a better drop rating, which makes it punch above its weight in the budget premium category. For people who value simplicity, style, and reliability, this case gets the job done without compromise. Number 4. TORRAS Strong Magnetic Case. Moving on, the TORRAS Strong Magnetic Case is the definition of flexibility meeting elegance. Made with a sturdy mix of TPU, PC, and aluminum alloy, it keeps your iPhone safe from drops up to 8 feet, which is slightly less than CASEKOO, but it makes up for it with one of the best 360 derotatable magnetic stands you'll find. The stand pivots smoothly, so whether you're scrolling, streaming, or hopping on a Zoom call, you'll always have the perfect angle. MagSafe accessories lock on with ease, and the translucent matte finish keeps fingerprints away while letting your iPhone peek through. Compared to CASEKOO's offerings, it may not be the drop helm champ, but it definitely wins in hands-free usability. If you love a case that can adapt to your lifestyle while looking modern, this one's worth your attention. Number 3. ESR Cyber Series Case. The ESR Cyber Series Stash Stand Case is where rugged protection meets practical everyday use. With dual-layer construction and reinforced corners, it offers a jaw-dropping 7X military-grade protection, handling drops from serious heights without flinching. What really sets it apart is the 360 DG Stash Stand, which tucks away neatly yet folds out instantly for stable viewing angles, ideal for travel, video calls, or long streaming sessions. On top of that, its unique camera control system adds extra coverage around the lenses, giving you more peace of mind when tossing your phone in a bag. Compared to the TORRAS case, it sacrifices a little sleekness, but returns a lot more raw protection and camera security. If you're the type who values rugged safety without wanting to give up modern features, the Cyber Series should be on your radar. Number 2. ESR MagSafe Case. The ESR Classic Hybrid Magnetic Case in clear black balances toughness with an almost effortless slimness. Its 4-layer build combining TPU, PC, and reinforced edges absorbs shocks while staying lightweight enough to slip easily into your pocket. The built-in 360D stash stand works beautifully for binge watching or quick calls, and MagSafe accessories snap on perfectly thanks to its strong integrated magnet. Compared to the ESR Cyber Series, it's noticeably sleeker, giving you that premium feel without losing confidence in drop defense. The camera control system is also sharp, keeping scratches and cracks at bay. This case nails the do-it-all category. Enough strength for daily drops, enough convenience for hands-free use, and enough style to keep your iPhone looking clean. Number 1. SUPCASE UBGrip Pro Case. And finally, the SUPCASE UBGrip Pro in Azure takes the crown as the most complete protection package of the bunch. Certified with ML/STD 810H500 and 16.8 military drop testing, it laughs off falls up to 15 feet, while the built-in HD tempered glass adds screen protection right out of the box. Its aluminum 360-deg kickstand is sturdy, doubling as a grip for easier handling, and MagSafe compatibility ensures your wireless charging stays effortless. What seals the deal is the precision camera control button and rugged dual-layer frame, which deliver both usability and serious toughness. Compared to every other case on this list, it offers the most features per dollar, more protection than TORRAS, more practicality than CASEKOO, and more polish than ESR. If you want peace of mind with every drop, slip, or scratch, this case is easily the top choice. So there you have it, the 6 best iPhone 17 Pro drop protection cases, ranging from slim minimalists to heavy-duty fortresses. Which one matches your style and habits? Drop a comment and let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss more hands-on reviews. All the links are in the description, ready for you to grab the perfect drop protection case for your iPhone 17 Pro today.